What's going on, Crypto Fam? Happy Hump Day. Okay, 2 items on tonight's docket. The first one, vending machines. The second one, my love for XYO. I mean, I would talk about XYO every episode, but gotta give it a pause every now and then, you know? Okay, so let's get into it. Vending machines. Vending machines have sold many things over the lifespan of vending machines. Soda, snacks, chewing gum. If you're at the lavanderia, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, if you're at the laundromat, detergent, condoms, tampons, chapstick, I don't know. They sell everything. Here's where I'm going with vending machines. Did you know that there's a vending machine in Manhattan that is selling said Solana NFTs? And did you know said vending machine in Manhattan selling said Solana NFTs accepts fiat currency for said NFTs? And did you know that said ATM machine in Manhattan that sells said Solana NFTs and accepts said fiat currency is open 24 hours a day? Am I joking? Am I making this shit up? I am not. That's a negatory. Negatory, ghostwriter. Decrypt reported yesterday that this vending machine is up and running. And it accepts credit cards for those who are interested in buying Solana NFTs. There's a caveat though. Isn't there always a caveat when something sounds too good to be true? Okay, caveat. You won't know what type of NFT you're actually purchasing. And I'm going to read verbatim what it says in the article. Quote, buyers can pick collection and will have to punch in a number to dispense a specific box, but boxes don't reveal exactly which NFT is being purchased. End quote. For the entire article, which takes under 5 minutes to read, and for all the details and specifics, as well as the Google Maps web link or map link for the map, my video description, of course. I mean, why would you have to Google all that when I'm here to do that for you? All right. Last item on the docket. My love for XYO. It's currently at 0.01 and some change cents again. And, all right, where am I going with XYO? Other than I freaking love XYO, as well as many others, other people, other hodlers. We are 5 days away from XYO 2.0. February 28th is when XYO upgrades to 2.0. What's the big deal? What's in store? What is 2.0? Well, I'm going to break it down real quick. There's going to be 2 parts that are being upgraded. The data protocol and then the network side. Makes sense? You can't have one without the other, right? All right, so for XYO's data protocol 2.0 upgrade, it will now allow for easy database storage and easy data processing. And then fine-tune and an upgrade of sorts for things like only needing lowercase for key names. Thank you. And the key names will be in alphabetical order. And extra punctuations like spaces or the hard returns are no longer allowed. Yay. And then for the network side, the 2.0 upgrade, it's a centralized implementation of their 4 main components, the Diviner, Sentinel, Bridge, and Archivist. Oh, I actually remembered all 4. Yes. I didn't remember them in the actual order they're supposed to be layered in, but hey, at least I remembered all 4. And on that note, Crypto Fam, and I guess NFT Fam, I wish you all a good evening. May you continue to buy the dip because it's dipping real low as of this morning. And toss one back. It's hump day. Enjoy yourself. Smile, breathe, dance. All right. Until maybe tomorrow, or what's tomorrow? Thursday? Friday. I'm out. Peace.